Meet the Sphynx cat, the hairless wonder with a personality as bold as its look. Known for their wrinkled skin, big ears, and striking eyes, these cats are truly one of a kind. Despite their lack of fur, Sphynx cats are incredibly warm to the touch, earning them the nickname velvet hot water bottles. They love to snuggle up for warmth and crave human attention. These playful and mischievous cats are full of energy, always exploring, climbing, and even performing acrobatic jumps. Their outgoing and affectionate nature makes them fantastic companions. Fun fact: Sphynx cats need regular baths to remove oils from their skin and stay clean. Because they lack fur, with their unique look, loving personality, and playful spirit, Sphynx cats are a breed like no other.